Due to the high expense of executive education programs, they are usually reserved for managers and other top level leaders. What about the rest of the organization? Tuition reimbursement might be a good option for organizations that want to offer development opportunities to employees at all levels of the organization. It might also be a good fit for companies that want to take a more hands off approach to development. This option allows organizations to invest capital to show employees that they care about their development, but it gives employees control over where they study and what they study. The research is clear. Tuition reimbursement can impact employees' decisions to stay with an organization. It's important for the educational program to be related to the employee's current job and for the amount of the reimbursement to be related to their grade in the course or their performance on some measure. Some companies ask their employees to sign a contract of sorts and commit to the organization for an extended period of time in exchange for the tuition reimbursement. If the employee quits before the designated time, they have to repay the full amount of the reimbursement. Again, this option is attractive to people at all levels of the organization and from all different groups.